Hey fam, tonight I wanted to share with you guys how you can make any instant ramen pretty special. And you can see here today we're just using the Shin black ramen. I really like it. It's kind of earthy and beefy, a little bit spicy. And I'm making ramen for two, so I used 3 different packs. But first thing we're gonna add to this, just cooked as the directions showed, is we're gonna add this nice soy egg here. And this is just a soft boiled egg that has been soaked in some slightly diluted soy sauce. And the only reason it was diluted is that I don't want to spend all my money on soy sauce. I'm gonna get a little bit more of that soy sauce and just drizzle it over here too. That'll add some nice flavor to this. Then I'm going to add some chopped up bokchoy. Make a nice little nest here. And I chopped up some of the ends too, and that'll get nice and soft in the broth. It's kind of like celery almost, And then we're gonna add in, and I'm making little sections for all of this, but this will all mix up as you eat it. That's some freshly cut garlic. And then we have green onion in here, both from the bottom of the green onion, the white part, and the top, the green part. And then we have, right here, we got some teriyaki seaweed, roasted seaweed, and shredded. It's very good. It's fun to snack on. Put a little bit of that right here. Oh yeah. And then of course what we got to do with this little eggie is we got to split it open. Oh, did you see how that yolk just came out all beautiful like that? Look at that. Gorgeous. And you know what? I think I'm going to add a second eggie to this guy. Just put that right there. Isn't that beautiful? And now the most important step of this is, since this is so beautiful, you go ahead and give it to somebody you love, because you messed up the other eggs and they aren't quite as pretty. So I'm gonna go take this to Sammy Girl real quick. Hopefully she'll like it. She'll want a spoon too. Okay, so now it's time to start on mine. So here's my slightly uglier bowl, but still it's nice. Doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna grab one of these eggies with my bare hands, like a monster. See, it was already split open. I'll grab this one too. I'm just gonna split it open with my hand. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and get some bok choy in here too. Get some of this garlic. And you know what I actually want in mine is American cheese. I know it sounds weird, but American cheese goes really well in ramen. And I'm gonna slide this in under here a little bit. Oh, that's hot. I should probably be using my chopsticks for this. There we go. And just get it to nice and melt in there. I'm gonna put on green onion. And after the green onion, I'm gonna add something to mine that Sammy Girl doesn't really like, but I do. I got some kimchi, a little corner of that. And I'm just gonna lighten mine up a tiny bit with just a splash, a drizzle of vinegar. Let's get a tiny bit of the sesame oil. And we're gonna use this chili oil. It's a little bit too spicy for Sammy Girl's taste, but I like just a touch of it. I also like it on pizza too. Okay, doesn't that, that looks beautiful too, actually, so. Sorry, Sammy Girl, I tried to give you the prettier one, but it might have just been the prettier bowl. But I'm gonna let this sit for a second because it's really hot, and then I'm gonna come back and dig right into it. All right, fam, hopefully it has cooled down to an acceptable temperature, an edible temperature, and the cheese has melted nicely. That's beautiful. You know what I'm actually gonna do right now? I just got some of this kimchi liquid, better than throwing it away. I'm just gonna pour it over the top here. Now that is a thing of beauty, to me at least. I love me some kimchi. So let's just kind of poke in here. Look at that beautiful yolk. Look at that. Oh, that's delicious. The way, I only left these eggs for about an hour. Generally, you'd leave these for days or overnight at least. But you can see there was still a nice penetration on the soy sauce. Enough to get the flavor in there at least. And look at these beautiful noodles. Oh, thank you, Shin Ramen. It's gorgeous. I can get a slight bit of that cheesiness blending in, and then the lightness from the rice wine vinegar, the tiny bit of the, what do you call it, sesame oil? Yeah. You don't want to use too much sesame oil. It's super strong. Oh, and the kimchi sauce. Yeah. Let's get some kimchi in here. Beautiful. Grab a piece of egg. Oh, and I got some of the garlic. Yeah. The garlic and the onion just add so much. I mean, no offense to the dried vegetable packets that come in instant ramen. Those are honestly pretty good. But it's so much nicer to have that fresh vegetable flavor in here, especially with the bokchoy too. Not to mention our friend the seaweed. That's that nice teriyaki spice to it. Oh, lost it. Big chunk. Spicy. A little spicy. You can always tell the heat of a food by the color of my face. And I think I'm looking a little bit red. But it's not too spicy. The cheese also helps balance that out. Mix our eggy friend in a little bit. That nice creamy yolk. It's making a beautiful sauce. And the soft-boiled egg white itself is just soft and custardy. I love it. Sammy girl recently turned me on. Sorry, it's a spicy bit. Turned me on to hard-boiled eggs and egg salad, and now soft-boiled eggs. She was the one who asked today if we could have ramen and put soft-boiled eggs in it. And it was a great idea. Thank you, baby. I've got nice little chunks of egg floating down here like hidden treasures. The egg is my favorite. The egg is my favorite part. It's so good. Oh, it's so good. I'm going to probably be keeping eggs around like this in my fridge all the time now. Oh, a big bad boy. Yeah. That kimchi crunch. Love it. Oh no, I'm running out of noodles to drink some broth. That's a spicy way to experience it. Oh, Sammy girl's laughing at me. Maybe I put in too much of the chili oil. I can see it floating on top. It's hitting me in the back of the throat. But it's just because I'm drinking it like this, probably. Well, that was frankly delicious. And I was just thinking, guys, like, this would be such an easy way to impress someone. Say you're having a date over for dinner and you want them to stay after and maybe stay for breakfast. Make yourself an instant ramen. You throw this away and you put other stuff on top of it, or you take out the trash. Then you let them catch you or see you, putting your other ingredients on top. Getting your soft-boiled egg soaked in soy sauce. That makes you look refined. Kimchi, perhaps. Oh, you have a very interesting palate. You like kind of rotten foods. That could intrigue somebody. And honestly, this is all just like chopping vegetables, basically. The only kind of hard part, like hard boiling egg, or soft boiling an egg, 5 minutes, you put the egg in, when the water is boiling, let it simmer. Take it out, cold water, stop the cooking process. And then the peeling. The peeling is the hard part. And that's why a lot of my eggs are kind of ugly, because as I peeled them, they tended to break. And maybe I needed to cook them a little bit more, or maybe I needed to have a gentler touch in the peeling. But I managed to get one pretty one out, and that's why I gave it to Sammy Girl. They still all tasted great though, so that doesn't really make a difference. But that's honestly the only really hard part to any of this. So try it. It's cheap, but it's fancy. And it's nice. Treat yourself.